my new 2011 Kawasaki Nomad 1700. I've been taking some time to get acquainted with this beast of a machine, and it's been a delight. The Nomad 1700 comes equipped with ABS and cruise control as standard, something I'd never had the privilege of riding with before. I had no idea just how wonderful having an anti-lock braking system would be, especially on a bike of this weight. It stops on a dime and adds a feeling of stability and controlled braking, providing me with a level of confidence I didn't know I was missing on prior braking systems and bikes. The electronic cruise control is a bloody marvel. I feel spoiled, especially on long stretches of highway, where I can effortlessly maintain speed. It almost feels like cheating. The bike also comes with Oxford heated grips, which I haven't yet used. It's the middle of summer here right now. I'm excited to see how they fare on chilly morning rides. I used to have to layer glove liners to stop my hands from going numb. A nice little feature is the USB and 12-volt outlets, meaning I can charge en route to destination instead of relying solely on power banks. At almost 400 kilos, this bike is heavy. It was a major point of contention when deciding if this was a bike I could ride, especially someone of my stature. After a few hundred kilometers in the saddle, I feel a lot more comfortable with the size and weight. The bike doesn't feel cumbersome, except when wheeling it around the garage, but that's to be expected. I'm so excited to get to know this bike more, become more familiar with its intricacies and take long, mile-munching road trips on it. Jude looks forward to being a pillion on a machine which is a little better suited to long-haul 2-ups, and I think she'll love the plush pillion seat. This thing feels like a couch on wheels. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll join me as I get acquainted with my new bike, and I look forward to taking you on adventures with me.